Do you want to take your stream to the next level with this bad boy? It's completely controlled inside of OBS, meaning you can edit all the sources without needing to know how to code or anything. You just need to know how to use OBS. I'm going to walk you through installing it and troubleshooting steps if you have any issues at all. Did I mention it is completely free too? Let's get into it. Put your rockin' for the stone. Heyo duckies, Andi Lippy here. There are a few important things I should mention. This product and the other StreamUP products only support OBS 28 and above. If you haven't upgraded yet, I'll leave a video up here and in the description on how you can upgrade without any issues. Trust me, it's easy. You will also need to have either SAMMI or Streamer.bot, as these are the only tools we are supporting right now. It goes without saying, these should be all up to date too. Jump into our StreamUP website to download the product, hit download, then it will take you over to our coffee page. We would love it if you considered putting in $1 or so, as it will go a long way in supporting us making these incredible products for you. If you cannot afford $1, you can just put in a big fat 0 in the box, then proceed to download the product for free. So getting started, we need to get everything installed in folder 1, which is just here. It is the StreamUP plug installer. So double click this and get this downloaded. This is going to make sure all of your OBS plugins are all up to date and working. So you just press the download button just at the top of the page here. It'll take you to the coffee page. Just put in 0 or more. Obviously, we would appreciate if you did $1 or so, because obviously we put a lot of time and effort into these plugins that we make, and get that all installed. If you need more help, there is a video I created just here that will help you out how it works and how to get everything installed into OBS. Once that's done, we can jump into OBS and we can start installing it by going up to Tools in the top left and then press StreamUP. Navigate to wherever we've put the file. Obviously, when you have got this file, make sure you do not move the folder, otherwise it will cause problems later on down the line. Go to folder 2, OBS install, and press the .streamup file and open that. It will create a brand new scene inside of OBS just at the bottom here. We can click into it. It's going to look pretty blank to start with. You can right click it and press filters and press start movement to see it in action just here. And it'll all start animating. That means you know you've got it all working, which is great. It might look a little bit janky at first, but it should get sorted after we've finished setting it up. So we need to add these alerts to any scene we want. So we do that by jumping to any scene, go down to the plus sign, and we can press the scene. So we can add a scene as a source. So we'll press that and we'll search for the StreamUP alerts Xbox achievement, press OK, and that will create it just here. Now if I right click it and do the filters again, we can press start movement, and as you can see, I can move it anywhere around on the screen. I can resize it, make it as big or as small as I want, which is really, really nice. What we can also do is, there's different ways of adding this on here. So if you didn't want to add it as a scene, you can also use a source mirror or a source clone as well. And you just add it in the same way, press OK, and we can just go to StreamUP alerts like so. And as you can see, it works exactly the same, which is pretty cool. So you've got a lot of different ways that you can add it into it. Now to get this installed into SAMMI, we need to go back to the folders, go to bot install, which is the third folder, open up SAMMI, and there is the color converter extension you will need for this to work properly. This is by Christina. Just hit download here. And then it'll take you to the next page where you can name your own price for what you want it to be. You can just press no, take me to downloads, but I would recommend just giving $1, and obviously it helping support creators make this kind of thing. So get that all downloaded, then jump into SAMMI and go to Bridge on the left, press install an extension, navigate to wherever you downloaded the color converter to, double click into it, and get it to install. It will show a disabled deck. Don't worry about that. Leave it as disabled. It doesn't matter for what we're going to be doing. Hit Bridge again on the left and press install an extension. Go across to wherever you saved the StreamUP file for. So mine is just here. And we're going to go into bot install, SAMMI, and then open the SEF file. This will create another new deck just in here. We can double click into this deck. It might look a little bit janky like this, but don't you worry. And then you can double click into each one of these and start adjusting some settings. So if I double click into follow, you can see I've got this green comment box where if I press this little eye, I can change how much the gamer score amount is. For the aesthetic of the alert, we can change what the message is, and also the hex color or color in other ways as well for the banner, and also the text color like that. Once you're happy, press save and close, save again, and then now when we jump back into OBS again and we use the SAMMI dock and press test, you can see we've got a test follow just there, and it looks pretty sleek and easy to use, right? So installing this into Streamer.bot, we just need to go to where our folder is, the bot install folder, open up Streamer.bot, and you should see a .sb file just here. We're going to press import inside of Streamer.bot, and we're going to drag and drop this .sb file into there. If it doesn't let you drag it, just double click it and open it in Notepad or something. Do Control A and Control C to select it all and copy it, and you can paste it just into there, and it should look something like this. 7 actions, 1 command, and also a queue just there. Press import, and that's it, you're all good to go. There is a settings page with this one, and it will automatically run when you restart Streamer.bot if you have never run the settings before. So all we need to do to get this to run it is go across to commands, and you'll see a new command is just here, which is xb-settings. It will be disabled by default, so we need to enable that just there like so. And then now when you go to your Twitch chat and type in xb-settings, it will look like it's not really done anything, but if you go to Streamer.bot at the bottom, it'll load up with all these different settings that we can change. So we can change each achievement message, how much the gamer score is for each one, the text color and the background color for every single alert type. So once happy, press save, and that'll basically just set everything up ready to use. If you do need to change this at any point, just do xb-settings again into your chat window, and it will reload that settings page for you to edit again. Now we need to set up all the actions. So if we go to platforms and then Twitch, and we'll choose follows, set that up to Twitch follow. We can do cheers to set that up with cheer. Also with the subs, make sure the generic ones are all set to here, raid and everything like that. Even gift subs, just set them all to the relevant format just there, and go to integrations, and you can set up donation if you want to, using Streamlabs, Stream Elements, Coffee, whatever you want to do. Hit generic and then just press donation, and that'll line everything up. We can then press the test on one of these alerts, so I'll do a test cheer for this one, so I'll put in 69 bits, giggity, and press test, and you can see it's all started animating inside of OBS just there with the settings that we already had selected, which is pretty cool. But if you've already got your follow and cheer alerts and everything like that in there, I have got a video that I'll leave in the description down below that'll show you how you can have more than one action triggering when one of these events happens. So make sure you do check that one out, okay? If you are running into any issues at all, don't worry. We have a Discord server. You can find the link in the file you downloaded or on the StreamUP website. Just join and search for the product in the different channels. Each product has its own forum. This means you can search through the posts to see if someone else has had your issue, and if not, create a new post. Please be as accurate as possible and provide screenshots so we can actually help. If you like this product, then tell YouTube and press that like button. Also subscribe, as there are tons more products on the way. Speaking of, check out this playlist full of StreamUP products. See you over there. Put your rug over the stone.